In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert online videos in Microsoft Word. Adding an online video directly into your Word document can make your content more engaging and interactive. Whether you are preparing a report, a training guide, a classroom handout, or a presentation document, embedding a video allows readers to watch related content without leaving the file. Microsoft Word makes this process simple, and I'm going to walk you through it clearly. To begin, open Microsoft Word or the specific Word document where you want the video to appear. Once your file is open, go to the Insert tab located at the top of the screen. In the toolbar, look for the Media section and click on Online Video. A small window will pop up, prompting you to enter a video link. Now switch to your web browser and open the YouTube video you would like to insert. Under the video, click on the Share button and then choose Embed. After that, click Copy to copy the provided link. Return to your Word document and paste the copied link into the pop-up window. Then click Insert. The video will appear directly inside your document. To adjust its size, click on one of the corner handles and drag it outward or inward. Resizing from the corners helps maintain the correct proportions of the video. You can also control how the video interacts with your text. Click on the Layout Options icon located at the top right corner of the video. From there, choose the text wrapping style that best fits your layout. This allows you to position the video neatly within your document. To play the video, simply click the Play button. You can pause, move forward, or rewind as needed. When you are finished watching, press the Escape key to exit the playback mode. There's another way to insert the video link. Instead of using the Embed option, you can copy the video's web address directly from the address bar at the top of your browser. Then return to Word, click Insert, select Online Video, paste the link into the pop-up window, and click Insert. Just like before, you can resize the video by dragging the corners. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.